Don't want to wait for AI to regenerate everything? You can do it directly with the code editor. First, let's edit the headline. Switch to the code interface. Open the hero section. Locate the headline you want to change. Update the headline content. Once you save, the headline updates instantly. Now let's remove a full section. First, delete the import statement. Then remove the component itself. After saving, the entire section disappears. Editing text and removing sections. This is full development level control. Finally, you can export the entire project, ready for management or delivery. From quick text edits to removing full sections, the code editor gives you complete control over your site. Try it out in your own project.